election with your candidate na unapata hiyo power. But these people wamesurrender. So the Linda Mwananchi thing, Mr. Calvo, Mwananchi is a faction imetoka inasimamia something. And the agenda ya hii kitu na agenda ya nini ya United Opposition is one. And you know that agenda is what? One term. And that is what they are fighting for. So currently they may go kwa nini saa zingine unaenda kuwinda amwindi na mmoja hivi, lazima tu uweke ingine huko na uweke ingine huko na uweke ingine huko, but ultimately these people will come together and confront this government because the ODM Linda ground is part of that government. The Linda Mwananchi
youth will never allow that because youth wants all the agency partners to get the leadership.
They want that, but in Kenyan politics, direction inatokanga juu, haitoki chini.
No, there's no problem. We can unite and even give the
but still, you never know. You know,
no problem.
There's a card, and that card maybe these young people. People, Kenyan politics is dynamic, and it changes any time. Even Sifuna can be the presidential candidate of the United Opposition. Even Babu will, and that can be the stroke in the Gava in the part. But definitely, Gava na Linda ground, the other side, Linda Mwananchi in the United Opposition, this side. The line, that red line is already drawn. Okay. And let nobody cheat you that ODM itakuwa moja. Imepasuka katikati. Kuna watu wa tumbo na kuna watu wananchi. So wale watu wanabaki na party na certificate when my brother is saying, but the Linda Mwananchi inaenda na kitu.
What I don't understand with these people. So you say the problem that I don't understand with these people. Sisi tujasema wako na nini, kila mtu wako na tumbo yake.
Umesema wako na certificate.
Kitu funny because we are not supporting that funny thing and idiocracy that called sijui Linda Mwananchi. Ati sasa watu ni watumbo. Si kila mtu anataka kiti. Na unajua huyu ndugu yangu alikuwa anataka kumwambia then umalize. Huyu ndugu yangu anasema ati Oburu Odinga walimweka ati before. Mimi sijawahi ona because naona ni landed person. There's no vacuum in power. Hata wewe kwako saizi ukikufa. Even Raila Odinga died. But kijana wake wali-install kama nani? Kama head of the family.
But after some time.
But sasa huyu anatuambia kama rais ndiye akikufa anakuwa replaced before 24 hours. And that's the government. Sasa hii kitu
nani anamreplace?
Hii kitu sikia.
In this one,
sikia. Huyu jamaa kwa mkutano. Chairman amesema very simple. Chairman wa ODM anaitwa Gladys Wanga alisema wakiwa agile Mombasa Road. Alikuwa anasema I think on Sunday. Ukiangalia hiyo mkutano akiwa ngoja tu Labour College. Akasema yeye aliita mkutano kama chairman. Kila mtu alikuwa disifuna. The suggestion was there. Nani anafaa ku replace Raila Amolo Odinga? Automatic was to be the deputy. Deputy mwenyewe Abdul Nasir akasema mimi na suggest nani Oburu Odinga. Mtu ali second another deputy. Call nani? Simbarati. Mimi nime second kama staki. Na mwisho Ososi yeye akikuja akasema vile wameamua. Mtu hata alikuwa wakienda mzee party leader akienda kukula Bible. Mtu alifanyia hizo shughuli zote kama advocate alikuwa Sifuna. These people they need votes of Nairobi. And we know that's the tribalism wanna play. So tell these people finish and tell these people they have to rehearse vizuri.
Okay, as we wind up. And each one of you tell me the parting shot. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, each one of you. You're starting with Willis. 30 seconds only.
My parting shot is I want to tell the people of Kenya, if whatever Ruto is doing is what the people of Kenya wants, let him be re-elected. If stevening Shah into a shell is what we want, if having fake projects like Atlanta that are accelerated, let us continue. If Maori don't summit under PPP and we are being right to pay for our roads in this country, 8 per kilometer is what we want, let Ruto continue. If selling our public assets like JKIA, KICC, Bomas of Kenya, Kenya Pipeline, Safaricom. Next is State House. Is what we want. Let him continue. But I want to remind people of Kenya that we have the sovereign power and we are empowered by the Constitution, not by any one individual. And our powers lies in the ballot when we cast our vote. My young brothers and sisters, Genesis, I want to tell you, take a vote. On 10th August 2027, we have a destiny with the current regime led by William Samuel Ruto. God willingly, if all of us will be there. And I want to tell you, after voting, don't go away. Just wait for the presiding officer to declare the result and take a video. I will show you where to post it. Then ensure what the presiding officer has posted as alive in the website, IBC website. After we have confirmed, then leave the polling station. Otherwise, guide the polling station till otherwise. Thank you. And we will ensure we have pushed our enemy, our common enemy of barbaric, archaic, and retrogressive development in our country.
Okay.
And we must end this on 10th August 2027.
Okay.
It's a destiny that all of us are forwarding to look at, and we are waiting eagerly to meet on a common center. And I want to tell William Samuel Ruto, be prepared with your lies, propaganda, and we'll be prepared with our IDs and our flag.
Okay.
Aruta continue.
Your parting shot, Mr. Danrai.
Let me in 30 seconds, the way you stated it.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
We as common mwananchi and a common Kenyan, the only thing that we need is policy change only, and support William Samoei Ruto. Thank you.
Yes, my Mheshimiwa, that is.
Yeah, this one goes to the President of the Republic of Kenya. Come out of those sunroof za magari, rudi wafanyia wa Kenya. Two, to the ODM Linda ground function of ODM. Park, tokeni huko na muingie serikali haraka haraka, muendelee mbele. You are wasting our time. To Sifuna and Babu Wino, the struggle continues. Continue with the same spirit. Aluta, continue. And to the fellow citizens, the only way you can remove this rogue government from power is through the ballot. Go register as a voter on the voting day. Fika pale kwa voting station, vote so that we send this rogue government out of power. Because this government does not know the sanctity of life. That's why they go around killing people anyhowly, abducting our young people. They should be sent packing. Aluta, continue.
Okay.
We
need a united Kenya.
Thank you.